Today I'm going to talk about how to configure MongoDB in Mac. Before I begin, please subscribe my channel if you like the content. Let's go to the download center of MongoDB. You choose all these options and you can see a link up there. If you can hit that link, you can directly download or click on the download button, which will download the MongoDB installation file will be on your local Mac. Once you downloaded it, so I have a separate folder I keep all my softwares, which is called as apps. So I dragged to there, I extracted that, and you'll see a bin folder up there and some of other files. Now let's go back to the command prompt. Go to the MongoDB folder. So let's go to apps. Okay, let me drag that a little bit. Okay, let me zoom in that a little bit, and then so I'm on the MongoDB folder. If you see the bin folder, you go to cd bin MongoDB. That's weird. So that's not the way it starts. So let's go to the one directory back. Just do /bin/mongo d. That's weird. It didn't start successfully. I'll show you why and how to rectify this problem. So if you see, there is a data.db folder. MongoDB, when the MongoDB starts, it looks for the data.db folder and looks like I didn't create the data.db folder. So let's go and create that. So this is on your root. Okay, permission denied. Let's go and let's try with the sudo mkdir data. Ask for the password, enter your machine password. Okay, the data folder is created. We need to create a DB folder inside the data. So let's do that. Yeah, I should have tried with the sudo. Okay, sudo mkdir db. So now you see that there is a db folder over there. cd data db is accessed. Now let's go back to the so you see that data db is accessed, and then now let's go back to the MongoDB folder again. It's MongoDB. Okay. Oops. Yeah. Try to start that again. Bin / now you know the command. It's mongod. You can find all the important information such as links and commands on the description. Okay. It still says the data DB is not existent. That's weird. So, but we remember that we created that folder. So it's a permission issue. So I'm going to change the permission for that. This is the command sudo chown -r -30. Then see now now I executed the command again, and then the MongoDB started. So look at the command one more time. I have that in the description. So that will change the permissions. Okay, now I want to show you one other thing, which is called studio3t.com. So this is kind of something, if people are familiar with IDEs like SQL, Workbench, any of that, this is something similar that I use on my machines, which can connect to the MongoDB. So while it downloaded, let's go to command line, and I'll show you how to access the MongoDB on the command line. So you go to the MongoDB folder and then do .bin mongo, and that will open the shell version of MongoDB, and then you can say show DBS. It will show you all the database available, which is like database schemas. There is a default ones are admin, config, and local. So now we can create a new database on local. So if you say training, I'm creating something with the training DB. Okay, switch to training DB. So now if I do that, it still didn't show up. This will show only after the first insert. So I've created an insert script. I've created a table called course, or it's called as collection. And then I am looking at that. So I inserted a record into that. Switch to the training DB again. And then I'm going to find whatever the value I inserted. It's DB collection and find. You can use pretty. So pretty print, it's not working on my machines. That's something weird. But if you do the db.find, it will show you the find. So now look at that. Okay, it's already downloaded. Now let's go back using a UI. So I'm going to open the Studio3T. I drag to applications folder. Open it up. Click on I agree. Click on next. Finish. Now this is a screenshot. I put it up there, so you can click on the connect, and then you do that, and then you can connect to the database. MongoDB. You'll see the training DB, and you can see the tables which you created. Its course. You can double click on that. It will bring you to the right side. What are the values on it? So there is a bunch of options. You can see it over there. You can execute by, you can execute the query, and then you can see the values. You can see a JSON view over the right side corner. So you can change the query to different values. You can do whatever you want. The query, you can find more queries on the MongoDB tutorials. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe my channel.